Have you been trying to file Nil Company Income Tax Return on REV360? A situation where your company has no sales, no expenses, but only have share capital showing in the audited report or balance sheets. Many people have this kind of issues. They will ask these questions. Should I enter zero under the income or the expense? Will REV360 reject my filing if I enter zero on the income statement? What do I do with my share capital? In this video, I will show you step by step on how to correctly file Nil CIT Return on REV360, even when your company has no business activities in that particular year, but still have share capital on the balance sheet. Stay with me to the end because I will also show you the common mistakes that cause validation error and also how to avoid them. Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that you don't miss more of REV360 and tax filing tutorial.
You are welcome to the Analytical Entrepreneur.
Welcome back to this channel. First, let's understand what is Nil Company Income Tax Return. All right. Now, it means that you as a company did not generate income. There is no business expenses during that accounting year. But that does not mean you should ignore filing, all right, your tax return, because it will attract penalty from the tax authority. If your company is registered and active with Nigeria Revenue Service, you are still expected to file annual CIT return, even if your tax payable is zero. Since your company has share, that means that your balance sheet is not empty. So you must report that under the equity. All right, so let's get started.
Okay, we're already in our portal. Just log in to your credentials, details, and log into this point, right? So then we want to file for CIT. Come, you say file now. There's no assets. Click no assets. And when you come to this stage, make sure that all these are tick. No, 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 no. Or are you part of multinational enterprise group? You say no. Or if it's yes, you speak yes. But these are okay, it's no. Then you proceed. Then the next thing is that the year is already selected. Then you download the CIT templates, right? You open it. So you open it. And you save it, enable edit. Then you save it properly. Save it properly, right? Your desktop or my documents. Okay. So now we have to look at the guides, read and understand the guides. Make sure you understand it. Then input is accounting year 2025. This is automatic. You don't need to do anything here. Then income, we don't have income. In this filing, there's no income. There's no costs, right? So we just have to meet the law, okay? And that's why we are doing this. Then under the statement of financial position, of course, we have shares, okay? Based on CAC registration, we have shares. Must file it because based on our audited report, shares was there reported. Okay, and you must follow your audited report. Make sure that what you are filing is sent as what is in the audited report, right? So you go to share, that the statement of financial position, go to share equity, share capital. Put there, equity contribution to shareholder, and share. So you come input value here, 1 million. That's what is there. So as you input 1 million, let's see, 1 million is captured. And under the review of financial position, you see that we have imbalance. 1 million is there. Okay. total equity plus and the liability is 1 million. But if you check the total asset now, nothing is there. So what we need to do is that the rule of a double entry has to take place now. Okay. Under your assets, correct assets, cash, right? You add 1 million there, so that your balance sheet will balance. Your statement of financial position will balance. So we have equity in here, 1 million, and cash equivalent, 1 million. Okay, so your total assets, 1 million. So we now have a balance statement of financial position, right? So if you check your profit adjustment, there's no need there. Don't have any needs. The other income, you don't have any needs. Administrative expenses, you don't have any needs. So what you do is to save this file properly. Then you come back to the portal, right? Then you browse to select that file. Make sure that you know the file that, okay, mine is this file. Okay, that shows it's, that's my file. You select and open it. Right? So upload assessments. Make sure that your file is within these instructions. Maximum file size allowed is 5 MB. Okay, use the standard CIT assessment template, which we have used. Right, so make sure that ensure the figure accurate before uploading. Yes, the accurate line with the auditor reports. So you can upload the assessment now. Right, so it said upload successfully. Okay, now look at the liability. The revenue is nil, cost of sales is nil, income is nil, adjustments is nil. This CFC is nil. Okay, right, check now, you check all the information there. The liability, let me see what's the liability. Okay, revenue, nothing is there. No sector was selected, cost of sales. So you can see this Nil CIT filing. That's what we are doing now. Okay, but we can click declaration, accept the declaration, return. It means that we will not have finished this filing. So the next thing you do is say upload, right? Upload financial statements. That's what we want to do now. Okay, come and we say mission is to ensure that your, let's read this. Please ensure that your receipt file is PDF or picture formats, right? Make sure that it's in PDF. Maximum file size allowed is 5 MB. Okay, select and look for the file. Look for the file where it is saved, right? So I'll just upload the statement of financial statement of affairs, right? So then you accept this declaration. So once you accept the file return, we wait for it to completely file. return filed successfully. Right. So you can see now, non-paid, view receipts. Let's say paid now. Proceeds. So it's nil. Okay. I pay from withholding tax. If the selected credit is above the amount, we will only deduct what is needed to match the amount. So there's nothing there, right? So you say pay from online. Reduce. So nothing to pay actually, right? That just the truth. Nothing to pay, but you can check your receipts. So you can check your file for December has been successfully filed. Please proceed to payment. That's incentive created successfully. Your tax incentive for this has been successfully created. Please proceed to file assessment. So let me check this. Let me check the tax incentive. Okay, we are in tax incentive now. Okay, when you complete your filing, this tax incentive will pop up. Don't panic. All right. So what you just need to do is just to complete the process. But in my case, it's a Nil file we are doing. So everything here is Nil, right? You go and click Buy Now. Then you come to this point where you see everything here is Nil. Got all the income tax exemption. All of them are Nil. Stamp duty, petroleum, VAT, development levy. All of them are Nil. No incentive there. There's nothing to give since you are filing it, right? So you just come as click submit and say tax incentive submit successfully. So done with that. When you do that, say that you come here, you say your tax incentive for doing has been successfully filed. Please proceed to make payment. Click it without the notifications. Nothing to make payment because it's me.
Okay, I believe you just watch that demonstration, how to file company income tax return on REV360. Even when your company have no sales, no expenses, but you still have share capital in your balance sheet, you need to file. If this video helps you, please like and share, subscribe. Let us make this video get to everyone that we have the same challenges filing their Nil CIT return. And drop a comment below. Let me know if this process work for you. And I love to hear your experience. If you have any questions or run into any REV360 issue, drop the comments. Okay, drop it and I will be happy to help you.